Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your WhatsApp if it is showing the error temporarily unavailable. Please try again in 5 minutes. Now first of all you need to check if your Wi-Fi has stable connection or not. As you can see my Wi-Fi has stable connection. If it's not, then you should turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back again, or you should reset your router. Then again you should check if your airplane mode is off or not. If your airplane mode is on like this, then you should turn it off. Then again connect your Wi-Fi and it will be working fine. And if it's still not working, then you should go to your settings, go to your apps or your applications and search in WhatsApp on the search bar. After that, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clearing the cache, it will be working fine. Last but not the least is you should check your WhatsApp is on the latest update or not. You can check it by going to Play Store or your App Store and searching WhatsApp on the search bar. As you can see, my WhatsApp is on the latest update, so it is fine. And if it's still not working, then you should just reinstall your WhatsApp by uninstalling and reinstalling again. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.